So I'm gonna do a video here on prepping my plants for the winter. I have a lot of my plants here in my little greenhouse, and I have another one, but I'm only gonna use one because I have some plants indoors. But right here I have some plants that I'm gonna put inside. I have my string of pearls variegated. I also have some Hoyas that are not doing so good, but I put them in the greenhouse. Hopefully they do better. You can see right there the one in the background is the Elogioreum. This one is the Benito Tanii. I have my Melliflua, I have a Moranta, I have my Archibaldiana, and I have more plants in here. Today I'm going to be repotting this Shangri-La Pothos or Shangri-La Epiprenium, or the sleeping pothos, and I'm going to be putting it in soil. I'm going to be doing a repot. It arrived in sphagnum moss, so I'm not happy with that. So I will be doing a repot, so stay tuned. Here is the plant, the Philodendron Shangri-La, and I'm gonna go ahead and start putting this up because, like I said, it comes in sphagnum moss, and I don't want that. So for the soil, I'm just gonna be using regular Fox Farms soil, which pretty much is the soil that I use for pretty much all my plants. Pretty much the soil that I use for all my plants. And I'm gonna put a little bit of slow release fertilizer, but let's go ahead and get started. So we're gonna go ahead and take the plant out of here. Now, I don't like plants that come in sphagnum moss because then when it's time for you to transplant them, you tend to get some root rot. So look, this one was actually not in 100% sphagnum moss. It was actually mixed up with some other stuff. It looks like it had let me move this away. Looks like it had some sphagnum mixed with like I've never seen this before. Sphagnum mixed with like some kind of soil. Not sure if the sphagnum was just placed on top so that it could like remain moist, but this is completely moist and I don't like that. So I don't like my plants sitting on moist soil because I have this thing on the side here, but just don't mind this little pot. But here is the actual plant. It does have nice roots, or I thought it was gonna have better roots, but it has decent roots. Do a close-up so you guys can see the roots. I think they're okay. But I'm gonna go ahead and plop it in here. Make a little dent with my fingers. And then just plop it in there. Put a little bit more of soil. Put a little bit more. This top part that I'm putting, it has a little bit of cocoa bark. It has perlite and big chunks of cocoa bark. A little bit of charcoal. Okay guys, so here is the plant, nice and potted up. And I'm gonna put this in my greenhouse. Hopefully it does good. So that's about it. Guys, a quick little video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll do updates on how this plant is doing, but yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to drink water and water your plants.